and I hope you like it. So first thing first, we have this, I believe this is the Too School for School. So I got this one. I don't have to pronounce it. It's like, are you late too? Yeah, so I got this as well, and I got the Dark and Wild album. So starting from Too Cool for School, I'll be opening this. So let's see. So opening the album, this is how it looks like. Sugar. That's so cute. Okay, so for the second one, we have the Are You Late Too? This is the CD. That is so cute. And I'm guessing this is a poster that came with. That is so cute. So this is the mini album. So, scan. Oh my gosh, what is this? RM. That is so cute. He looks like a baby here. Rap Monster. So, Rap Monster. That's so cute. Then we have Jean. Oh, Sugar. J-Hope. What is this? I got the group photo and oh my god, this is the cutest thing ever. They're so baby here. So, J-Hope. Jimin. V. Jungkook. This is Jin and Jimin. And V, Suga, and J-Hope. RM and Jungkook. And then that, J-Hope. So they're so young here. I wish I could have known them way back then. I wasn't really into K-pop before, but after listening to BTS, everything just changes. And that's it for this album. The Dark and Wild album. Let's see. Oh, that's cute. It's flipping where we could get the album and the CD here. I'm guessing this is just a box under it, and this is the CD album. Dark and Wild. That is so cute. So this is RM. I wanted to love so bad. And then Sugar, Jin, J-Hope, V, Jimin, and JK. And then here you can see what's on the album list. That's so cute. Good photos. And it's so different here. Very, very dark. But that's so cute. Ooh, what is this? Oh, that is so cute. This is a photo card. Jimin. JK. And then another, this is like the list of the songs they have for this album. Oh, what is this? I got Rap Monster. Our leader. That is so cute. So, yes, these are the lyrics for the track. Jimmy, Jungkook. Oh, they're so young here. That monster. That looks like, I'm not sure if this is the lyric or like some sort of bio about themselves, which is so cute and unique. J-Hope, V, Jimin, JK, and the tiny W-I-N-G wings. So we'll start with the W. And I'm going to make this sound. Here's the wings. Chin. That's so cute. I like the flower crown on him. The pink hair. Oh my gosh, that's the cutest thing ever. Oh. Wow. This is the, that is so cute. This is like one of my favorite era. I wish I could have known them during this time and gone to their concert because their songs are just wonderful. I'm digging James' hair here a lot. And I like Sugar's hair too. They're so cute. And then these are the track lists. Dance. So I'm guessing this is the lyric part for every song. What? R-M. That is so cute. It's like a Polaroid type. That is so cute. And just a note. And the CD is all the way on the back. That is so cool. So that's the W. Now we'll go to, this is the I version. This is the I version. So let's cut it. So this is the I version. So let's go through them. Oh, it's V-Hope. V and J-Hope. That's so cute. Ooh. V. Oh my gosh. It looks so cute here. Oh my gosh. Are you serious? That is so cute. I love his outfit here. What? I got Jungkook. That is so cute. So I got Jungkook for the I version. And then this almost looks similar to the W version earlier. And then, ooh, the aesthetic just looks amazing. Oh, Mr. J-Hope. He looks so cute here. I love the silky pajama on Suga. I think he looks cute in it. And these are the lyrics. I'm not going to go through them because it's just going to take, what is this? It's just a note. And the album is all the way in the back. So the end version of the wing. So let's open it, see if we can. Oh, this is so cute. I really like Jimin and Suga. I hope they make a unit. I remember the Tony Montana song that they had. Oh my gosh, Mr. Suga. Look at you. Oh. Ooh, that's interesting. Then we have, that is, oh wow, Jimin. Okay, let's see who we got. And who is this? It looks like 1, 2, 3. I got Jungkook again. I'm happy, but at the same time, I wish I didn't get a double. But I can't complain. That's so cute. So Jimmy. Oh, the apple looks KK with the feathers. JK looks so good in here. Oh, that is so cute. It looks like an angel. I love the photo concept in this album. I like this too. Jimin and J-Hope. Rap Monster. It's so cute in here. Ooh. J-Hope, Jin, and V. And this is the lyric book. Where's the photo card? Oh, who is this? J-Hope? That is so cute. So we got RM, Jungkook, and J-Hope for this album. And yeah, and this is the CD on the back. So for the last album in today's video, I'll be opening the Love Yourself tier. This is the Y and the U version. Which one's that? Okay, so this is the Y version. So it goes, we slip the cup off, and we get the CD, which I thought so cute. And this is the photo book. It's really thick. It's the Y version. That is so cute. They're like in the desert. Oh my gosh. It's Jungkook and Jin. I like it when they're together. I thought they were just a funny couple. And we have V and Sugar, Innocent and Dopey. Oh, that's cute. That is so cute. And we have the trio RM. This is J-Hope and Jimin. What am I? Oh, I like the shirt. Oh my gosh. I got Jungkook. That's a surprise. Oh my gosh, it looks so cute here. I'm guessing this is the notebook. So this is the note. Like a pinky note. And then we got this. I'm guessing this is some sort of a bookmark. Which is so cute. Oh my gosh, guys, that's so cute. So we have V. Okay, that is a wonderful shot. I don't know, I just find them so funny, that's why. But I like them equally. Oh my gosh, Sugar's hair looks so hot in here. And this is Jungkook. Oh my gosh, it looks so soft and angelic in this photo. And oh, J-Hope. I like his hair here. Oh, fine. Oh my gosh. And then we have Jimin. Regret. Oh my god, those blur sweaters are so cute. And then we have Jin. Oh my gosh. He looks so cute in this photo. And then RM. And then I'm guessing this is the music list. I really love Miss Magic Shop. Oh, I love everything in here. Lyrics. And that's about it. So for the last album, this is the U version. So, let's open it. It's dark and big color. Albums. Okay, so the CD's on the back. So we have the notes. And then this is the full album. Woo! So we have another bookmark picture. And, oh, that's interesting. Hands. Oh my gosh. That is so cute. They're all in beds. So we have J-Hope, Jimin, and Jin. And then we have Sugar, V, RM, and JK. Cute in here. Hard to pick out.